Here I have ZTE Blade A602 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using our home screen. Here you have to choose Settings. Here we have to scroll down and select Advanced Settings right here. Afterwards choose Languages and Input. Tab Languages again from the top of the screen, and here you've got the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So let me just say that I would like to change my language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Español. And as you may notice, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. So if you would like to go back to previous version, so to the English one, let's choose Ajustes right here. Choose Ajustes Avanzados. Tab Idiomas y en traducción de texto. Tab Idiomas again, and from the following list let me choose English, for instance from United States. As you may notice, now everything is back in English, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.